Hey guys, welcome to the last part of the list building module. In this part, I'm going to show you how to actually build your first 1,000 list. Now, as we all know, traffic is the lifeblood of any internet business. So getting traffic to your squeeze page is very, very important because without traffic, you won't be able to get leads to sign up on your squeeze page. So how do we get visitors? How do we get traffic to our squeeze page? The best bet is to go to the #1 traffic source on the internet, which is Facebook. So we're going to drive traffic using Facebook ads to build our first 1,000 list. Now there's a little twist to this. We won't just be running ads like the normal standard ads. More than that, we'll be sharing our audiences with you. We'll be sharing a custom audience to your own Facebook ad account so that you can actually use our buyers list to build your own audience and drive targeted traffic to your squeeze pages. How awesome is that? So you don't even have to test audiences and start doing targeting, interest, and the likes. We give you our buyers list to use to set up your audience targeting. This will be shared to your Facebook ad account, and from there, you can run ads to them. You can also create lookalike audiences using the shared audience. So, how do we do this? I'm going to show you how to do all this in this video tutorial. I'm also going to show you how to set up your custom audience and a lookalike audience. And then the most important part, which is how to run a lead generation ad on Facebook. So let's get started. I'm going to head over to my Facebook ad account. So the first thing you need to know is that you need an ad account. So if you're just hearing this for the first time, then what you need to know is that you need a Facebook ad account to run ads on Facebook. You can access this on facebook.com/ads if you're using your personal ad account to advertise on Facebook. Or you can go to facebook.com/business. When you get there, you can start creating your ads. Please take note that it's good to use your business ad account instead of your personal ad account to create your ads. But how do you get your business ad account? Simply go to business.facebook.com. And once you get there, as you can see, I already have a lot of business accounts, but you can always create an account by simply clicking on the box here where it shows create an account. So you click on it and then sign up. Having done that, you'll see the option to select a business, so you can go ahead to create your ad. So let me show you how a business ad account looks like. Now this is my own business ad account. You can see the business manager, the business setting, the event manager. Now the ads manager is where you create the ads. But what I'm about to show you are the audiences. Facebook is so powerful that it allows you to upload data to their platform. Let's assume you have a list of customers that have purchased your product or signed up for your product or visited your website. You can upload that data to Facebook and streamline your ads to target these set of people or customers only. And that's not even all. You can also use that customer data to create a lookalike audience. What do I mean by a lookalike audience? A lookalike audience is like an instruction to Facebook to look for people that are similar to your customers based on the data provided. This can easily help you to reach out to millions of people that are similar to your customers in your ad campaigns. So now in this case, we'll be sharing our custom audience into your ad account. So all you have to do is to log into your business ad account, then you click on this icon, and then you locate where we have audiences. Once you click on audiences, this page comes up. If your account is brand new, that is, you've never had audiences in your account before, this page view here will be blank. But because we'll be sharing our customers list with you, you're going to see something like this. This is a customer list that was shared into this ad account, and it has 52,000 emails shared by Ecom Mom's business account, as you can see over here. So we'll be sharing our customer list into your account. Once this is done, you'll have to log into your ad account and go to Audiences. Once you go to the Audiences, you will see it here just as this one is appearing here, and you'll see who shared the customers list to your ad account. Now the beauty of this is that you can actually start running ads and target this custom audience. So now before we start creating our ads, I have to explain to you the 3-tier of traffic when it comes to Facebook ads. There are 3 tiers of traffic on Facebook. So now let me show you one after the other. Number 1 is the US traffic. This kind of traffic always costs $3 to $10 CPL. CPL simply means cost per lead, that is, cost per sign-up. So it is the most expensive and it is very, very slow. That is, the traffic is very slow. So you have to be very patient while targeting this tier of traffic. Although the US traffic is the most expensive, they have the highest purchasing power, and that is why it is expensive. Why? It's simply because most of the business owners in the world are always targeting the US traffic because they have a higher purchasing power. Now, aside from US traffic, we have what we call Tier 1 traffic. Now, Tier 1 traffic is traffic from Tier 1 countries like United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Germany, France, Ireland, and New Zealand. So when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we have 8 altogether. So these make up the Tier 1 traffic. Now this is not so expensive in comparison with United States traffic. They cost between $2 to $4 CPL, which means cost per lead for every sign-up, you pay $2 to $4 on an average. The next one is the worldwide traffic. Now this is the cheapest and fastest form of Facebook traffic. It is very, very cheap, and it costs $3 downward, which means you can be getting leads at 5 cents, 50 cents, 10 cents per, etc. And this is good for Warrior Plus and JVZoo kind of offers, which are the kind of offers you'll be promoting as an affiliate. JVZoo and Warrior Plus offers sell very well with this kind of traffic. But when you are promoting high-ticket products, let's say you're promoting a webinar high ticket of, say, $1,000, then you can go for Tier 1 and US traffic. A high-ticket offer is one which costs around or about $1,000. The US and Tier 1 traffic are the countries that have high purchasing power. So now you understand the 3 types of Facebook traffic you can target in your ad campaign. So how do we run this traffic to build high profitable lists that will generate tons of cash for us? So now let's get started. Remember, I showed you where to check to see the audiences that will be shared into your ad account. Once this is done, you will come to the Facebook Ads Manager and click on Audiences. It will show you the audience. Just like we have it here, this custom audience was shared into my account, as you can see, and this is the name of the person that shared it. So once you have it here, the next thing is to start creating your ads. How do you create your ads? You go back to clicking on the audience icon at the left-hand side, then click on Ads Manager. Once this is done, you click on Create in Other to create an ad. Once you click on Create, it will bring you to this Ads Manager, where you can now start creating your ad. It's in 3 parts. We have the campaign section, the ad set, and the ad itself. So we're starting with the campaign section. Now, once you get to this page, the first thing you need to do is to select your marketing objective. So we'll select conversion as our objective because we're trying to get people to sign up. A lot of people make this same mistake when they are trying to advertise on Facebook. Facebook is very, very powerful. Also, you have to tell Facebook what you want, if it's brand awareness, reach, and so on. That is what you'll get from your advert. If you select traffic or engagement, traffic will just be sending people to your websites. Because what you actually need is traffic. If you select engagement, you'll just be getting a lot of likes, comments, shares, because that is what you asked for. But you don't need any of these things. You actually need people with action that will either purchase your product or sign up for your webinar, sign up for your free course, sign up for your free gift. That is where the conversion comes in. So you need to select conversion here and then scroll down. Once you click on conversion, you will need a campaign name. You can just give it any name, e.g. FBA leads. Again, remember, that is the name of the product that will be given to you for free. This campaign budget optimization, I'm going to turn it off, and then I'll click on Continue. Once I click on Continue, it's going to take you to the Ad Set page, and now because we are running conversion ads, we need to install what we call Facebook Pixel on our website. While installing this pixel on your website, it's important for Facebook to track all the events that occurred on your website. If we actually want to build leads, we need people that will sign up on our websites. Then we install Facebook Pixels on our websites, both on the sign-up page and the thank you page, so that Facebook can have a record of people that are signing up on our websites, and also use this medium to improve our ads and only show our ads to people that are likely to sign up on our website. Now you see the power of Facebook when it comes to marketing. How do we install this pixel? It's very simple. All you need to do is to come to Ads Manager, then go to Event Manager, right-click on it, and open a link tab. On a normal day, if you're running your ads for the first time, it won't show green. It's going to show red. Why is it showing that red? It means you've not installed that pixel on your website, and the pixel is not active. So we want to install our pixel on our website. I'll click on Event Manager. Remember, it will bring us to this page. Click on Details. A page will open. After that, you will click on Setup and click on Install Pixel. Once you click on Install Pixel, it's going to pop up. Click on Manually Add Pixel Code to Website. It's going to bring out this. That's a code pop-up. This is the code we will have to put on our sign-up page and thank you page. Let's head over to our website. Because WordPress is a content management system that does not allow you to code, we need to install another software that will allow us to insert this new pixel on our website. In order to do that, we head over to Plugins and click on Add New. The name of the plugin to be installed is called AddFunk. Then you click on Search. This is it. As you can see, it is used to insert header and footer code on your WordPress pages. So I'm going to click on Install Now, and I'll activate it immediately. Once you activate it, if you go to your pages and click on All Pages, in order to see all the websites that we've created. As you can see, this is the sign-up page and the thank you page. Where the sign-up page is, click on the Edit button. Once you click on the Edit button, as you can see, this is the work of that plugin. It will tell you to insert whatever code you want to insert on the header section of the site. If you want to insert it on the body start, make sure you put it there or the footer and you save it. Now I'm going back to copy that code. Click on it. It will copy automatically. Then go back to our site. Place it in the header section and click on Update. Once you update it, you can view your site to be sure that you actually updated it. Then you rename it to Sign Up and click on Update. Once we update, we can view pages. Let me review the page really quick. Now, once you view the page and you want to be sure that your pixel is on your site, you can now install Google Chrome plugin called Facebook Pixel Helper. Just go to Google and search Facebook Pixel Helper, click on it, and install. Instead of showing Install for me, it is showing Remove from Chrome. Why? Because I have already installed it on my Google Chrome. Once you install it on your Google Chrome, it will be easy for you to now view. This is it on my Google Chrome. If you click on it, it will show you, as you can see, one pixel found, page view. Now, this pixel we just installed is what Facebook will use to track all the visitors that actually visited our websites. By doing so, they are gathering data around our ads and will start looking for people that are similar, that are signing up on our website, and show our ads to them as well. So the Facebook pixel is literally very important. Once we install the first one, we go back to our dashboard, go to Pages again, click on All Pages this time, we go to the Thank You page, click on Edit. Once you edit, you go back to our Facebook, copy the code, and go back to Thank You page, and paste the code there inside the header. Once you paste the code there, that's not the end. Facebook would like to record someone actually signing up. Now you need to copy another extra code from Facebook. Go back to our Facebook, scroll down and click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, there will be a pop-up. Click on Manually Add Event Code. These are the events that you can track, purchase, subscribe, add payment, initiate checkout, add to cart, etc. Click on E-commerce and Retail. There will be a drop-down. Select Automotive. Once you select Automotive, just scroll down and select Lead. Lead is a submission of information by a customer with the understanding that they may be contacted at a later date by your business, which is what you need. If you want Facebook to only show your ads to people that will only sign up, leave the conversion value and currency as default. You will see a code. Copy it and paste this lead event code under the previous code. Let's go back to our website, which is the Thank You page, under Head, and press Enter and paste the code, and then click on Update. Now let's view the page to be sure that the code is there. This is our Thank You page. So look at this. Can you see it? It has Page View, and it also has the lead tracker. Anytime someone gets to this page, Facebook will record it as one lead. So that is why from our ad account at times, you can see the number of leads generated from those ads. Once we've installed the pixel, the next thing is we can start running our ads. Let's go back to our ads. In this website, the conversion option is to select Lead, then you scroll down. Once you scroll down, the next thing you will do is to go to its audience, the audience that was shared with you. Now is the time to use them. Just click inside this place, and you will see all the audiences that were shared with you. This is actually a customer list of 52,000 that was shared with me. So I'll just select it, and it automatically appears here, as you can see here. Once the audience appears here, then I can start running my ads. I will edit the location, the countries that are your target. Remember, I told you that you can always target either Tier 2 or worldwide. In this case, I'll just target worldwide. I'll just select worldwide. That's how to target the whole world. Let's say I want to target Tier 1 countries. You delete whichever countries that are appearing there first, then you start adding one after the other, and you test it. Add United Kingdom, Canada, and also Australia. Keep adding all these countries, the Tier 1 countries, because these have high purchasing power. By the time you add all these countries, then you can continue as I said. Now, the age you should always start with is 30 and above. As you can see, that's the age you want to target. You don't want to target high school kids that cannot even fend for themselves yet, or that don't even know what to do with their lives, business, or anything. Your target will be people that are responsible and who are ready to start up a business. So you start with age 30 to 65 and also the gender. Detailed targeting, you leave it there as default all. Then move to the next thing, which is placements. Use automatic placement, which you have to edit, and once you edit it, you select only Facebook and Instagram, or at times just Facebook alone. So I'm going to remove Audience Network and Messenger, as you can see. Once you do that, you move down a little bit to Placement, and you remove Facebook Marketing Place, Videos Feeds, Right Column, and Instagram Explore. So you only leave the Facebook News Feed and Instagram feeds. Scroll down again, remove Stories and InStream, search for InArticle. Remove all those things. At the end of the day, you have a deep throat targeting and placement where you want it to be. So cost per lead here, you can just put $5. That's the least here you'll want to spend. The budget you should always start with is $100 per day. That's my recommendation. Now, I know a lot of people will be wondering, why will I be spending $100 per day? You don't have to be spending $100 per day. If for $100 you are getting leads for $1, which means at the end of the day you'll get 100 leads. So if your goal list is to get like 1,000 leads, you'll spend the amount, or maybe you're running the ad for 3 to 5 days, and once you reach your target, you pause the ad. That is how to go about that. So instead of that, you can put $50 because if it is a new ad account, they may not allow you to spend up to that amount, which is $100, and at times it may just be $20 that they will allow you to spend. Whatever the case may be, just put it there. $5 and continue. The reach is small, so you remove the $5 and allow Facebook to decide for you. Leave it like that. The next thing is to scroll down and click on Continue. Open the third part, which is where we will actually set up the ads. The first thing we will need to do is to create a Facebook page. But in case you don't have a Facebook page that you can use, you can just click on this button to create a new Facebook page. You can either select local business or place, or brand or product. I like using brand or product, and then you give your page a name. You can as well use the name of your site as your page name, or your own personal name, depending on what you want to use. Then, in category, I always use website. Select website and upload the image that you want to use, and click on Create Page. But since I've already a page there, I'll leave it like that. And where it asks me to select an Instagram account, I'll just say Use Selected Page. That's the one I use my Facebook page to advertise on Instagram. Once I'm done with that, the next thing is creating the ads. That's the format. The normal format that I use is the single image or video. I have never used any of these two. Click on this, and then the next thing is to add the images or the video you want to use for your ads. In this case, the groom of turn is that when you're trying to advertise on Facebook, ensure you will use up to like 6 images at a go on Facebook. Why? Because images are the most important part of your Facebook ads, either your images or your videos. Because that is what actually contained 80% information of people on Facebook. People's attention will be focused on that immediately as they scroll down their timeline. The image first before the text. This is why images are very important when you're running your ads and you want to create powerful ads that will convert. Now, you have to test different images and see the one that will really convert very well for you. So in this case, you can upload up to 6 images, as I said. You can download images from the site called unsplash.com. I use it a lot for all my ad campaigns. So you can just search for any image that you want to use for your ads. In this case, I can just search for businessman or businesswoman. Since what I want to advertise is about Amazon, I can search for e-commerce. Different images will come up. All you have to do is click on the one you want to use and download for free. You can see the download on my system automatically. That is how to download images for your ads. That's the first option. Another thing you can use as well is stock photos by Facebook. If you click on stock photos, then you can search for a keyword, as I told you I did on the other site, e-commerce. It's going to bring out lots of images related to the keywords you searched. There are lots of beautiful images that can be used. Pick the one that actually grabs your attention, because if they can grab your attention, they will always grab your customer's attention as well. Ensure that you select up to 6 of them. As you can see, I've selected 6. Once you select 6 images automatically, or you upload 6 videos automatically, Facebook is going to duplicate your ads 6 times and start running them. At the end of the day, you will know the one that is converting the most. Once you figure out the ones that are converting the most, how do you know an ad that is converting? Which means you are getting cheap clicks and they are paying a very low amount of money per click and you're getting high numbers of leads. You will actually know the one that is performing well and the one that is costing you a lot. Then delete them. That's how you actually test the ad. So once you select the images, just click on Continue. You can now see Ad 1, Ad 2, Ad 3, Ad 4, Ad 5, Ad 6 automatically. Instead of you trying to create adverts one after the other, once you just upload 6 images, it will automatically be added. Once you've downloaded the images, the next thing you'll want to do is to do the primary text of an ad. What I normally do is copy whatever my headline is and put it right away. So I'm going to go back to my site, the sign up page. I'll copy this and go back to my ads and put it there. Then I can say, click the sign up button to get instant access. Once I'm done with that, I'll go back to the headline, and I'll just write something like, "Launch your own successful Amazon FBA business." That will be my headline. Once I'm done with that, I'll come down to tracking and all that. I'll go to call to action and choose sign up. So once I put it there, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the confirm button. Once this is done, within a few minutes or hours, Facebook is going to go through your ads and approve them. Once your ad is live, you will start getting traffic. As you are running 6 images, like I said, you check them. See the one that is converting and the one that is costing you less, and see the one that is costing you more money and is giving you more money and causing you low results. That is, the number of leads is 0 or is very, very low. You delete those ones and you enable the profitable ones to run. This is how to drive traffic to your squeeze page, and from there, you can now start following up with your affiliate promos. Thank you for watching.